Also new from the chapter, it specifically addresses eyeglasses. There have been studies done that show people how often people touch their eyeglasses throughout the day, either just sort of adjusting them on the bridge of the nose or pulling them off. So it's really important that you develop a procedure and define it in your SOP for having folks a procedure to disinfect those eyeglasses. As a best practice, Contec recommends you only use disinfectant on the frames. Sometimes disinfectants or sterile alcohol could mess up the coatings on the lenses. So just use a lens cleaning wipe to clean the eyeglass lens itself, but you want to use a true disinfectant to disinfect the frames before you go and begin your garbing process.